Hello guys, welcome back to a new video from Sang Gaming YouTube channel. So guys, today we will do rank push season. Season part 2. So guys, today we have another friend with us called Baban. You can see second number and the fourth number. I do not know who the hell he is. So guys,
Baban has forget to off the auto match.
yes, or else he wouldn't have come. So guys, now let's go.
And this is the baddest map in Free Fire, Bermuda Remastered.
Yes, I do not like Bermuda Bastard. Let's go to shipyard, okay?
Okay.
Oh no, we will not go to shipyard. Shipyard there is many enemies. Let's go to Nudek Dam.
I don't like Nudek.
But in Nudek Dam we get many bag level 3.
But there will be only one or two, not many.
And we need only 3.
Why? Baban is there. My game has been crashed, guys.
Garina Walo, why are you so chimkandi? Oh guys, I got Mahastra. Double vector.
What Mahastra you got?
Double vector. Wait. There is an enemy in front of me. I am showing him Moja.
Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Best Gamer. So guys, today we are going my friend Sam has told that to make a series of going to Heroic. So this is my series 1 and this is Sam's series part 2. Hello?
Hello, yes. I have knocked one enemy. So now I will show her emote. And then kill her.
See him, Namaste emote.
Namaste. I don't have Namaste. We will get Namaste on what I say Namaste. Yes, Parafal. Parafal is quite good. Hare, Baban has gone.
Baban has gone Bhoge.
Yes.
So sad, Baboon Tuboon. Baboon is really a Baboon Tuboon.
You have also gone.
Huh? Who killed me? My game has been crashed, okay?
I know your game has been crashed. And there is an enemy.
And you have also died.
No, I do not. I didn't die. I am alive.
But why my game? Why I again returned into the lobby?
I do not know.
Okay, you play. Afterwards, you call me.
What?
I am not in the game. Only something glitch has been happened with me.
Yes. How did you go to the lobby?
I also don't know. Garinas are really chimpanzee.
Okay, then will I suicide?
What?
I mean, I will jump from here.
Please exit note.
Oh, my rank. Okay, there is an enemy in front of me. First, let me kill him. Then
Okay.
that was a pro enemy, but I killed him.
Please.
Guys, I cannot exit. Can I give you revive?
But I can't be revived because my game. I am in the lobby.
I cannot do anything. If I exit again, my rank will be in very great danger.
No, you will not get minus. Please exit no.
No, I cannot. You are not understanding.
Please.
No, I cannot. Why are you not understanding? Wait, guys, this is a very bad situation. If I now exit, I will never reach heroic.
What?
Hare, there is an enemy. What the hell? How many enemies are pushing the rank?
You kill him.
Of course, I killed him. He is a newbie enemy. Newbie. I think there is another banda here.
I cancel this video now.
No, I cannot cancel. If I now cancel, I will be not able to play anymore. Wait, how many coins? I have 7 coins. I can give revive to Baban.
But I will be not revived. Only Baban will be revived.
Okay, please Please consider this match. I will play with you the next match.
Okay. So from next match you continue this video now.
No, I cannot do that. Why are you not understanding? My whole series will be ruined.
Okay, but in the next match you will be making video with me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, you will continue this video only, okay?
Okay. Guys, then today there.
Then let's
So guys,
play the red light and green light mode.
no, we cannot play together because this is only a solo mode. No.
No, you play the next match until then I play the red light and green light.
That is a very tough mode. I killed another enemy with headshot. He has many loots.
Hello?
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 Hurry. Yes, say.
How many enemies are left?
I killed another one.
Only one enemy is left.
I killed another one. Hurry, I am left with 2 HP. Literally 2 HP.
Heal fastly.
Yes, I am healing. I think he will come. Yes, he could. But where is he? Oh, there he is. I killed him too. I eliminated the entire squad.
Nice.
Now I'll give revive to Baban. I gave revive to Baban. Now what can I buy? My base level 4 is almost damaged.
Repair.
Yes, I repaired it. I have 11 glue walls. Let me give Baban some glue walls. He does very good glue. Where is he?
Where is Baban? Hello?
Hello, here is Baban in front of me.
Okay.
Arey bhai, Baban is very good boy, you know.
Right.
Baban, I gave him 4 glue walls. He gave me 1 glue wall. Okay, let me pin this thermal scope. Okay, how to?
Hello?
Let's go.
Let me play Long Wolf.
Lone Wolf, yes, we can play Lone Wolf also.
Yes. You come fast and try to do Booyah.
I will try to do Booyah. If I do Booyah, there will be a great plus in my rank, you know.
Yes.
So guys, today's like target will be not much. 10 likes.
Like that will be
10 likes.
only one like.
There will be 10 likes, guys. Please do 10 likes, and there is an enemy.
Today I am having a glitch. Glitch again and he kill me. This red light and green light would be too much tough.
Yes, I know. Oh, guys, what a headshot, guys. I gave headshot with Kar 98KZ.
Oh guys, what a chicken leg piece. My team has gone high.
I have confirmed my kill. So now, oh dear, guy, some of you know there is a favorite gun in here, M249.
Did you got AWM?
No, I got Kar 98KZ.
Why you take that noob gun?
Kar 98KZ is very good in rank pushing, you know.
Yes, that I know.
And I can,
This doll always kills me.
and I am having a problem, you know.
What problem?
I cannot think of a name for my pet Beaston. Are your voice is coming very muffled. Sit up, sit up. Please sit up, sit up, please sit up.
Now it's okay.
Yes, now it's okay.
Your pet Beaston name will be Chikua.
Oh, I have a good name. His name will be Chicken Leg Piece.
Yes. No. His name will be Chicken Gorilla.
I am just joking. His name will not be Chicken Leg Piece. I will give him a very good name.
His name Gorilla because he is a gorilla.
No,
Why?
he is a good boy.
Because you guys, if you know, in our college, Sam, I and my friend Sam always play and we study in the exam time.
We do not play. We play mobile games.
But we play with mobile in our college life.
Why can't we go to college anymore?
Yes.
Let me.
You know,
I have someone.
my friends Sam study in Meghnasa Institute of Technology.
I am aiming to be a scientist.
What?
I am aiming to be a scientist.
Yes, I am also, my aim is also like, my aim is also same.
My drop is coming. And if Baban is crushed, Baban will give me 10 curses. I do
You 10 slaps.
I do not want to be. Any,
You know,
what I know? There is an enemy.
many enemies are left.
Many. This is dropping and dropping. This airdrop is dropping and dropping. It is rolling. It is not stopping only. When will they stop?
It is a glitch, I think.
Stop. I have stopped it with glue wall. There is nothing. I wasted my glue walls.
What was that?
There was West level 3 and Groza, but I already have West level 3. There's an enemy behind me.
Sam,
Yes, say.
pause the video for 1 minute.
No, I cannot pause.
I am telling for you all day. Your mother is too much out there. Please pause it for 1 minute.
I have thrown away my sniper and I am now taking
Hit of them.
no
So what?
SVD.
What?
SVD.
Yes, this is a favorite gun.
Yes, I know it is your favorite. Hurry, we are in the danger zone. Joyma, there is the danger zone. I am very afraid of danger zones.
Please dive in. Please kill him in the danger zone.
Don't do like that, guy. Don't do like that.
Please kill him in the danger zone. Yes, it killed. Yeah.
No, it didn't kill me. Okay, let me take my car 90k early. Car 90k is much good. Hurry, what is this? I cannot, my aim. I have taken my car 98k Z early. My car 98k Z helps me. Oh, he has given me a glue wall. So good boy. Okay, the dangerous zone has gone. Hey, do you know? I think I can do booyah actually.
Oh, nice.
If I do booyah, I will get a massive plus. Let's
And
go.
how many minutes are left?
I do not know. This is the
Enemies are alive?
only 10.
You can be Bia.
Wait, now let's see what happens. I think there is someone in this house. I think someone camping.
Hello, Sam.
Say,
Will you make
Yes. No. We will not continue. We will not continue. We will not continue this. Yes. Hey, three person eliminated themselves. They eliminated themselves. Wow. Only three. Yes. There are many landmines. I have many landmines. 2 landmines. I have 2 landmines. Let's go. This is the last zone. Why is he not following? Someone is giving me a lot of damage. I almost died. But thankfully I am alive. No, I didn't kill. The zone is also coming. Can we do booyah, guys? Not 1 million. I have seen them. Their glue wall is always disturbing. Baban is gone. Baban is. Wait, I will try to revive. I have revived Baban. Grenade. Many grenades are coming. But there is an enemy in there. Wait. I have 0 medikits and 4 inhalers. I have given one a lot of damage. Guys, what will happen? Where is Baban? Baban, kill him. Baban, what will now Baban do? Baban, kill them. Baban, only 2. Oh, booyah. Wow. Guys, please do a like. Guys, booyah. Baban gave a really good headshot. Yes. Wow, guys, booyah. So guys, I am ending this video here, but I will release the part 3 today only. Guys, booyah. So guys, meeting you in the next video. For until then, goodbye.